Now let's look at some of the data we've recorded from the use of the TBG 200 stunner. We can go to data, double click there. We're in the year 2025, and we're going to look at the stunning from July 23rd. Double click there. So we actually did 7 stunnings on that day. You can list there the 7 stunnings, 1 through 7. On the right side here, we have device name and the date, the number, and the number of stunnings. We can calculate some statistics here on the bottom. And also, let's the best thing here to look at is let's look some stunnings here and some of the parameters. So we'll double click on the first stun. And first we got a graph form. We can see the frequency change during the stun, starting out at 400 hertz and going down to 60. We can see the current or amperage. That's the red line. It's pretty consistent throughout. And also the voltage, the blue line, pretty consistent throughout. But we can look at some actual figures here in the actual table. So we'll click values. And then we can see for this first stun, the current and frequency change and the time throughout. So the voltage started here at like 221 volts, was pretty consistent throughout. The amps started out at 0.4, but it's interesting to see here after just 0.2 seconds, we reached the proper amperage. That's how quickly this Hubert-Haas stunners reached the proper amperage. And you see throughout the stunning, it starts out at about 400 frequency hertz and it moves its way down to 60 hertz. And that's very good for carcass quality. So if you want to save this information, you can always print it and save it to a computer folder for looking at it in the future. So thanks for watching.